Today, we will learn how to trade in tough and crazy markets by using our best momentum scalping strategy with the best indicator. We will do a full top-down analysis as you just like it. If you are good to go, let's do this. Okay people, long time no see. Let's have a talk about the Dogecoin today. But before that, let's see how the markets are. As you can see in the world, we had this fairly stable day. Not much gain, just around 0%. But today, coins were mostly great. Look at the totals. Over 1% gain in the day. And the main coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana followed them. By looking at this data, I can say that we had a mostly powerful and strong day. In the daily chart with the Dogecoin, you will notice important smart money structures. First of all, the strong rally started back then with a swing failure pattern and followed by a weak market structure break. But more importantly, this SR flip was the main source here. When I see these great support and resistance flip areas, I get overly excited. When you get close to in the daily chart again, you can notice that structure breaks one more time and pulls back to this imbalance right around our SR flip zone. And our 2-day rally starts. What does this tell me? Buyers gaining power on this coin. This coin may continue to rally in the upcoming days and weeks. Please watch this coin closely. Now, let's take a look at the momentum layout and talk further. Notice this triple imbalance area. These inner imbalances support the inner rally. And you can notice this inner support resistance area. This is called fractalism. Basically, 100% same thing that happens with the daily chart is now happening in the hourly based charts. Same pattern in multi-time frames. Now let's talk about the low time frames and the entries. Lower time frames may look complicated at first, but it is fairly simple. Just watch. This is our triple imbalance point from the momentum layout and our inner support and resistance flip area. Plus, please notice how the price clears the liquidity before moving upwards. Now let's get even closer and talk further again. I want to talk about two types of entries here. First of all, Masterclass price switch with Masterclass rally. As you can see, right here around our SR flip, our final imbalance fails. And price starts a strong rally right after that. This is where the nice rally entry happens, giving you at least 2+% move. Actually, after this video, this coin rallied like crazy. Just check it right now if you wish. But what about the traditional risk and reward? As you can see right here, we have our weak market structure break happens. And then price pulls back into inner imbalance. Now this is a tricky setup. It is like 1-to-1 ratio. Not much of a profit if you ask me. If you see setups like that, try to pull your stop loss a bit higher to cover the imbalance at least. Try to aim for 1.5 or 2 hour setups. This will improve your gains. Okay friends, have a nice week. Please take care and see you soon again. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.